Facing mounting criticisms over the state of Jamaica's roads, Prime Minister Andrew Holness addressed Parliament, giving an update on a nationwide road improvement initiative set to kick off next month. He also took the opportunity to hit back at the opposition, attributing the deteriorating infrastructure to years of neglect. Our reporter Ramon Gordon has more.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness is pushing back against critics who question his administration's handling of Jamaica's deteriorating road infrastructure. Addressing Parliament on Tuesday, Holness gave a key update on his Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network Spark program, set to begin sweeping infrastructure works nationwide starting December.
60 main roads and approximately 600 priority roads have been identified. For all the Jamaicans who are very frustrated about their roads, we hear you. But the real cause is that Jamaica's infrastructure has aged without any systematic investment in the maintenance of the infrastructure. It wasn't done because you did not elect governments that could create the proper economic management of the resources of the country.
Responding to recent protests, Holness acknowledged frustrations. However, he took pointed aim at the opposition, calling out what he perceives as decades of neglect.
It's one thing to come and make a political point about roads. It is another thing to be able to do something about it. We have seen politicians come and pontificate and make promises about roads. Pothole free by 2003. Mr. Speaker, we are here in 2024, and the people who made that promise then are the same people who are coming now to complain. Why did they make Jamaica pothole free in 2003?
The Prime Minister's Spark program, fully funded by the government, is set to become one of the country's most significant road improvement projects, second in cost, only to the Southern Coastal Highway project. The opposition's spokesperson on Transport and Works remains unimpressed, citing deflections and lingering questions.
You know, the Prime Minister came here with a lot of vim and vigor to hold others accountable for the failure of his own administration. The Prime Minister has announced that the spark will start the middle of December, but we still have not heard which contractor has the contract been awarded to.
The debate comes as Tropical Storm Raphael recently wreaked havoc on at least 58 roads nationwide, especially in St. Catherine, where severe flooding and landslides blocked key routes. Preliminary damage estimates are around $647 million, with $311 million set aside for urgent repairs. Ramon Gordon for CVM News.